Hello Internet. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're fixing a small but important issue, replacing a broken windshield washer fluid bottle cap. Let's get started. Now, let's safely remove the old broken cap, making sure no plastic pieces fall inside the washer fluid bottle. As you can see, the old cap is cracked and doesn't seal properly, while the new cap is perfectly new. Now, let's install the new washer fluid bottle cap. Align the new cap properly and press it in until it locks securely in place. And we're done. The broken cap is replaced with a brand new one, giving a perfect seal. Small fix, but an important one. Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Varun for more car and bike DIY fixes.